Hi guys, I'm Jamal and welcome in my first video here on YouTube. I work as a computer expert, so I will do some tutorials for you guys. Let's start with the video, and I will tell you guys how to open a folder on your PC and also a Mac. Okay guys, if you don't have a folder, you have to create this, and it's not that hard. You have to right click on the desktop and create folder. Once you created that, you can name it whatever you want. I'll name it folder because it's a folder. Now that you have created you have to double click on it, and it will open. Okay guys, now I show you how to create a folder on your Mac. It's not the same. You have to go to file and create new folder. Sorry for the old version, but I don't do updates. Now you create it, you double click on it, and it should open. Okay guys, thank you very much, and if you give me 1 like, no, 2 likes, because one is mine. In next video I'll show you how to rename a folder. Thank you very much. Bye bye.